How to reset Beko dishwasher. All right, so the first thing is canceling the current cycle. So before you try anything, just cancel the current cycle. Open the door and press the start or pause or the start or stop button for 3 seconds. You'll hear a beep or see a countdown, and then it may start draining the water. Then release the button, press and hold the start or pause button again for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash or it beeps. This resets the entire control board. Now, the next thing you could do is a hard power reset. So, if the button reset doesn't work, do a hard reset. So, basically, unplug the dishwasher from your power and then unplug it from the wall socket and then wait 5 to 10 minutes or longer and then plug it back in and turn it on and press and hold down on the start or pause button for another 3 to 5 seconds. This should drain it briefly. Now, you could also perform quick checks to make sure everything is working properly. If the reset doesn't solve the problem, it could be a faulty door latch, control board, or another issue. So, check in with the Beko support team.